Here's a neat trick I used when I had to create an index for my latest book on music and science. I didn't want to rely on large language models, as that would have required uploading the copyrighted content to their services. I had already annotated the key terms during writing, and these keywords are stored in a keywords text file, which looks like this. The idea was to generate a script that shows on which page each keyword appears on the PDF proof version of the book. So I wrote this Python script that uses PyPDF library to scan through each keyword and returns all page numbers in which the keywords occur. Processing is done locally on my hard drive, all under my control. In just a half a minute, I had a fully generated index with accurate page numbers. This would have taken me a week of manually indexing 300 pages with 3,000 keywords. Mercifully, this was done on 1 hour scripting challenge.